Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Day 14, chapter number 2, verse number 214. Or do you think that you will enter paradise while not has come to you like came to those who passed away before you touched them, the adversity and the hardship, and they were shaken until said the messenger, and those who believed with him, when will Allah's help come? Unquestionably, help indeed of Allah is near. Explanation. In this ayah,
Trail.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us a question. Do you think you will enter Jannah just like that? As a Muslim, all of us want to enter Jannah. But can we enter Jannah just like that? In this ayat, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informs us that if you want to enter Jannah, but you have to not be afflicted with trials that the messenger and those who believe with them endured, they were afflicted with such difficulty,
Trail.
trials that they were shaken up and they cried out to Allah, when will the help of Allah come? Then to console the believers, Allah says, questionably, Allah's help is near.